was gonna fall.
Where you almost fell?
Right here, you can still see my knee print.
Your knee print? That's where you fell?
I
Ow!
went like this to get the dog food, and there was metal that didn't go, and I stepped on it, and the dog food was You promised!
I lied.
I think it popped my eardrum.
I'm gonna kick you.